Don't talk. Nobody likes those new faces, right? They like Abel Sanchez, they like this guy, that guy. But this guy looked bad for the past 3 fights. He didn't look great against Kell Brook. He didn't look great against the other guy. He looked great. Danny
Jacobs and Canelo.
So, but people keep sending them that they can't help it. How does a guy get a draw and become pound for pound the best fighter in the world with a draw? How does Kovalev stay in the pound for pound top 10 rankings and he just got knocked out? Knocked out. Chocolito still ranking top 10. He got knocked out. So people don't want to let go and they don't want to invite the new in. It's okay. You got to keep doing what we're doing, obviously.
Yeah, and you don't see too many of them type of fighters fighting competition like Jamal fighting against J-Rock.
Right, yeah.
Jamel fighting against Erickson Lubin. I mean, you didn't really see the fighters that they want sometime at the top, like Golovkin. You didn't really see them fighting competition like this. You know,
Golovkin is just finally fighting those type of guys. So when I said this before, without saying that, Ellsworth would have knocked him out. I said every day of the week. He would knock him out. He would break his ribs. You think he can punch? He didn't punch me before Canelo. Canelo had his hand down in his face. And so disrespectful. So he's too slow. He questioned every punch he threw when he fought Canelo. He questioned his own. He couldn't judge his distance. He didn't go like he wanted. He couldn't do that. So we bought into a guy who's been okay, but he hasn't been great. But okay opposition. We're all looking for the great next step. Erickson Lubin. He's a great next step. That's what they said. I got hit in the head with a chair tonight. He knocked him out, got through a chair in the air, hit me in the head. Hit Jamal in the head and in the face. They all have 70-something-year-old coming in the face with a chair. See, what happens is this, you can't live your life talking trash, being arrogant, being pompous, then you get your hat handed to you, and then you're mad. Everybody else is mad. That's the game, man. Look, it could have been us being knocked out. You just take it how it is, man. For real. I mean, that's what it is. Life. What you gonna do?